Hello, my dear students. Today we are going to make something different. I want you to pause the video for now, and I want you to write all these texts on your screen in your, you already know, since you're watching this video, another file is going to be attached to your work, and you will open it and write this down. Once you write this down, I want you to resume the video and do as I will do. So what I'm going to do, you will pause the video now. Okay, I presume you pause the video and resume again now. Today we are going to read this first. Let's read it. Why do we use italic and underline text? We use italics and underlining to distinguish certain words from others within the text. These typographical devices mean the same thing. Therefore, it would be unusual to use both within the same text, and it would certainly be unwise to italicize an underlined word. So, within this text, for example, assuming I want to just, distinguish these two words from the others, so I can just use the italic over them. See the I italic, you can use the shortcut Control I. I can italize this one, and so this would be shown different inside the text, and it would mean I'm trying to distinguish this. Or you can use, instead of italic, I'm taking it back. Now I'm using underline. Underline that has the same thing. You are just distinguishing these certain words from the others. Okay, so I'm going to show you another trick today. So I'm going to undo this underline now. Everything is same. Okay, I'm going to italicize the first word and underline the second word, and third word again italic, fourth word underline. So I'm going to make it A B kind of. Okay, so first let's make the first word italic and the second one underlined. Okay, good. So I'm going to show you the trick. This is not the case, but I just want to teach you the trick. There is a button over here, we call it paint format. If you call it only one time, if you click it only one time, it just it is used to carry the format. For example, I have the italic format here, we call it a format. I want to carry this format over here. I want also this word to be same. So I click on the paint format only one time, and I click on the second one. So it makes 1, 2, see, they're both italic now. Okay, what if I double click on it? When I double click on it, it will be temporary. So even if I click on different words again and again and again and again and again, it will still have the same, let's say, format, and it will go with you as long as you continue clicking and disabling it. Okay, to both. I'm skipping one word and italicizing everything one by one. Okay, why am I doing this? Just to show you this good tool I have, paint format. I'm closing this now. Then this time I'm making the second one. Use, see, this is underlined. I'm going to double click here again. This time I'm going to doing the words I skipped from within text. Typographical mean same, therefore would unusual. Okay, so it looks not good, but sometimes this is helpful when you want to use it some formats again and again. Okay, here we are. I'm done. So how am I closing this? I'm going back and clicking on new ones. Okay, I'm done with the first part. The second part, why do we use bold text? Let's read it again. Because it does stand out. Okay, bold text stand out. Let's see that. Bold. Does it? Oh, I should select it. Bold. Yes, it does stand out. However, too much bold type on a page can be distracting and even disruptive to the reading process. Oh, so you shouldn't use it too much. For this reason, italics are normally used in running text when more than a couple of words are to be emphasized. Okay, so we use italics more than one. For example, like this. Okay, I want to emphasize on this one, so I use what? Italics. But if I want to emphasize on only one word, I use this one. So I have to select it, right? Yes, like this. Okay, we're going to do the same thing. I'm going to make this odd numbers bold and even numbers words, leave it as it is. I will double click on this again and click, 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 click. Okay, that's an easy task, easy job. So once you're done, you will show your work to your teacher. Once you are ready and turn in, he will give you something else to do. All right, okay, I did this. Make sure you push the turn in button. It's not here right now, but in your case it will be. All right, so that's all for today, guys. Submit your work and you will be done.